An RC-135S Cobra Ball takes off as a maintenance crew works on an RC-135VW rivet joint for what seems to be a normal day here at Offutt Air Force Base. But
today we're going through an exercise where we lost all power throughout Offutt Air Force Base, and we're working on our contingency plans to ensure that the mission continues.
OPPD worked with Offutt to cut power for the Emergency Resilience Readiness Exercise, or ERRE. So security forces directed traffic while others turned on their cell phone flashlights and our cameras flipped over to night vision. But not everyone was left without power.
Our generator kicks on. So far we are able to maintain communications with the aircraft, communication with the radar approach facility that provides that service for us, and the vehicles on the ground. And the equipment that we use to interface and manipulate flight plans is operational.
So throughout the 12-hour exercise, there was one common theme we heard repeated. If the power goes out, the mission continues. From the tower,
if our generator were not to kick on, then we have our backup radios here. We can use these radios to talk to aircraft on the ground and in the air as well.
To finding a location running off of generator power.
We have alternate locations that weather forecasters could go to, and that is what we are exercising or practicing today.
Going back to pen and paper.
We are running off backup generator, had to utilize some old practices using paper and whiteboard and whatnot to contact people. Just keeping the mission going.
Or just conducting business as usual.
The power going out did not affect our mission whatsoever. Anything we have to do, we can power the aircraft using all of our aerospace ground equipment, powered purely by gas. Our mission was not affected whatsoever.
And finally making sure they've already thought of different ways to accomplish the mission.
Well, we were right in the middle of getting ready to step to the jet when it went out, and it provided a few bumps in the road for us, but really we have backups for everything.
Yeah, so without electricity, we're not seeing a huge impact out here on the flight line. We're still operating just as we would if we had electricity.
Ultimately, I think we do a pretty good job of making sure we have backups on backups. We're going to get things done.
Reporting from the flight line, I'm J.B. Artley for the 55th Wing Public Affairs Office, where the sun never sets on the Fightin' 55th.